Hi, I am so excited about this opportunity that I needed to get on and record a video now and let you guys know about this. This is the best opportunity I have found online, period. It was $39 to get involved. I set up a complete business in under 4 hours, and I'm not talking about some system that somebody made to make you $7 a sale. This is your own business, a legitimate business that you can be proud of and you can show people and really get behind something and not be connected to anybody else. It's only you. It's your business and it's everything you need in a package for $39. It was put together by Scaling by Systems. If you've been online for any period of time in the marketing area, you will know them. They are a leader and they have put together the side hustle shortcut. And let me tell you, it is a shortcut to having your own business and a shortcut to making money. I put it all together, like I said, in under 4 hours. I do have some experience with the platform, so it was a little bit easy. But for those who are not sure that they can do tech stuff, it's so simple. It's step by step, follow the directions, and you will have a business and a website and everything laid out for you. It's already done. Your first product is done, everything done. You just press a button and it loads into the system and you're ready to go. So check out the link below and find out how the side hustle shortcut is going to give you the business you've always wanted and let you earn unlimited potential. Get it.